Well, I'm unfortunately going to attempt to make my own fixture table. I had some scrap 3/8 plate I had, a little bit of square tube and some other stuff I had left over from other jobs. So, with that being said, let's get started. Yeah, so right here, I'm using the, just a cheap VEVOR mag drill that I got off Amazon around Black Friday. And I'm just using one of the bits that came with it. And, I'm pretty impressed with it. I like it. I've used it on a couple jobs. I mean, it's already paid for itself. The only thing I would change is it doesn't have a lock in the up position. Maybe nicer ones come with one. You know, it'd be nice so you don't have to hang it off the edge of something to change the bits or whatever like that, or clean it. But like I said, I don't have a complaint, especially for the price point of it. And it come with, I think, 6 or 7 bits. They've held up pretty good. I mean, I punched all these holes, which I'm using the oil and everything, and I've not had a problem out of it. Yeah, as long as you got a good little bit of plate for it to sit on, it does fine. And I mean, it's $200. If you get a year or so out of that and some, decent usage, that's worth it. You know what I mean? And all I did was tap these right after that with some Pro Tap lube. Did a little deburn with a Unibit, and it did fine. It did great. Alright, so after a miserable amount of time, I have all my holes drilled and tapped. The reason I tapped them, and I did oversize the hole just a little bit, that way it's almost not the strength of Acme threads, but the flatness of it. That way I'm not always worrying about nicking a bolt or something, or spark or somewhat. All of them go in pretty easy, no big deal. And I'll have a video soon of making attachments and clamps, etc., backstops. I didn't do the backside here because this is where I'm going to start keeping my brake that I'm about to build, and transfer over a bracket for my slip roller. I might make another one just a little slicker for the back, but the back is mainly going to be against the wall and only pulled out of the way for when I need the slip roller or brake. So yeah, there it is.